Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. Had a client take the 3-hour trip from Connecticut to our New Jersey location to get the audio upgraded on his 2025 Road Glide. It was Road Glide Cvo ST, and he had an audio package done which he was pretty happy with until he had some performance work done on the bike. Now the exhaust did not allow him to hear his speakers on the highway. So we upgraded his amplifier to a Cicada 2000.4. We kept the A to B interface that he currently had installed. We just retuned it. We kept his Hertz 690 Neo 6x9s, and then we upgraded his Hertz speakers in the fairing to Cicada CHC. So horn loaded driver gave him a lot more output, and obviously going with the bigger amplifier gave him a lot more output. Upgraded the battery to a lithium. Now it's a killer 4-speaker bike. He has no problem hearing on the highway. He was super impressed with the way it sounded, and we delivered on what we promised. Check out what we did for him. So we have this beautiful Cvo ST. As you can tell, he's been through a couple upgrades already. First he did the Rockford Stage 3, then he did the Hertz audio upgrade. He's happy with the way the bike sounds. He's just complaining it's not loud enough. So we're gonna keep the A to B interface. We're gonna upgrade the Hertz amplifier to a 2000 watt Cicada amplifier. All these wires can stay, but we'll have to upgrade the power wire since they only ran 8 gauge. So we'll upgrade that to 4 gauge. Everything else can stay. A to B interface has a built-in DSP, so we'll be able to retune it. We're gonna keep the Hertz 6x9s in the lid, some of my favorite 6x9s. We're going to upgrade the Hertz 6.5 to something louder and more powerful. Stay tuned. Here Jason's preparing the AK2 4 gauge run. He's using the 8 gauge to pull it through. So it's going to run through the same opening. It's come out right here when he pulls it through. And there it is. Now it just has to loop it around and bring it up to the top.